If you don't want your soloing to sound like boring scale practice, there's one critical element you need in your jazz playing. Unfortunately, most beginners miss this completely, so in this video, I'm going to show you the practice routine that will immediately get you playing more authentic jazz lines so your solos sound like the real thing, even if you're new to jazz improvisation. By the end of this video, you will have gone from playing something very basic like this to a much more interesting sounding version like this. I made a free PDF download for you, transposed for alto and tenor saxophone. After you watch the video, visit the link in the description to get it and start practicing all this stuff right away. Let's start with the most common chord progression in jazz, the 2-5-1 in concert B-flat. We're going to begin with a simple descending triad over each of these chords, like this. I'm about to show you 10 basic ways to embellish notes in jazz. Each one of these gets used all the time, and learning how to do this literally makes the difference between sounding okay and sounding killer. It's not just for jazz either. Everything I'm about to show you can be used in every style of music to make what you play sound more interesting and sophisticated. Embellishment number 1 is a chromatic approach tone from below. We're just going to apply it to the first note of our triad each time, like this. You can add a chromatic approach tone from below anywhere you want in music, and it'll probably work. The next embellishment is a diatonic approach tone from above. That just means a note from the scale of the chord. So our first chord is C minor 7 and our note is G. So the next note above that in the scale is an A, and the whole thing sounds like this. So far, super simple, right? Let's go to the next one, which is double chromatic approach tones from above. As you may have guessed, we can do the same thing from below. Here is double chromatic approach tones from below. All of these are easy to do and can be applied to improvisational language, but also song melodies. For example, listen to me add the first 4 embellishments to a jazz standard. If we combine these first 4 embellishments, adding notes above and below our target note, we get what we call enclosures. The first 2 are simple enclosures where we combine an upper and lower approach tone. This one is diatonic above, then chromatic below, and it sounds like this. Now we flip it around and get chromatic below and then diatonic above, like this. The last 4 embellishment examples are where things get really fun and interesting. But real quick, I want to let you know that we started offering a free trial to the Better Sax membership where you have access to literally a lifetime worth of musical training for myself, as well as some of the best musicians and teachers you'll find anywhere in the world. So if you want to get really good at playing the saxophone while having fun and staying super motivated, visit the link in the description to start your free trial now. You'll be glad you did. Our first more complex enclosure combines double chromatic approach tones from below with a diatonic one from above, and it sounds like this. Sounds cool, right? Let's flip that one around so the double chromatic approach tones are above and the single chromatic approach tone is below. Okay, these last two are where the magic is. Make sure you download the free PDF so you know exactly what to play. I also added in another note so the exercise becomes a steady stream of eighth notes that you can loop around. First, we have double chromatic above, then below, and it sounds like this. And finally, we flip it around and get double chromatic below, then above, and it sounds like this. Once again, let's use these in the context of a song. I'm going to play the melody to Autumn Leaves and label each embellishment where I use it. For saxophone players, adding approach notes and enclosures to your playing is going to give you an enormous return on your practice time investment. Go ahead and download the PDF and start practicing this now. And then go watch this video next to learn about the 3 scales you need to know and how to practice them to get quick results for your technique and soloing skills.